Honey, can you tell me how do I look? Hey, look at me.
What did you wear?
Why? Don't I look good?
Are you going out wearing this dress? Don't you know, women in our family don't go out dressed like that.
We are just going out for dinner. There is have any problem with this dress?
Yes, you can't go out like this. Have you lost your mind? You can't dress shamelessly. You just got married. Everybody wants to see you now.
But I thought it's a normal dress.
Hello, yeah. Yes, I want to sell the flat in Cambridge. You can do something. You can send me the paperwork. Okay, yes. Bye.
Why are you selling our flat? We could do so many things there in future.
Did I ask for your opinion? I'm getting a good price, so I'm selling it.
I got it, but you know property is an asset. Why would you sell it?
You don't understand, so you don't need to think about it, okay? Just do your job as my wife. I'm going out, so serve my food. What were you doing?
Whole day I worked a lot, so I'm taking rest now little bit. Would you like some tea now?
No, thanks. My parents are outside, and you are relaxing here.
Okay, I will get to work. No, I won't be stopped today. If I do, I will be lost here. I won't be scared about it anymore. Definitely, I am going to say something about it.
What happened to you? Why are you still here like a joker? Go.
No, I won't going anywhere. I am not feeling well. So, I will take a rest.
How dare you to talk like that? Didn't your parents teach you any manners?
Manners? You are talking about manners? Even you don't know how to do manner. Even you didn't let me do my job after marriage. All day you treating me like a servant and I do everything. All day I stayed at home and do so many works. And you call yourself progressive and a modern guy? Before you married, you promised me so many things. Now I got how important it is to do work for women and the source of income. Otherwise, she gets no respect.